Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. So many of you asking that it is showing invalid hall ticket number while applying JNTU X-CONVOCATION for original degree. So here are some frequently asked questions. I already covered these all questions, but I will just review it for you. So the first question I have is how to apply for my original degree in X-Convocation. You have to go to studentservices.jntuh.ac.in X-Convocation. If you type it on Google, it will redirect you to on that page. So these are the questions I have already covered. I will provide the link in the description box. And you have also asked that can I apply for OD in tactical process or tactical service? So note that there is no tactical service to OD. You can't apply in tactical process for application of OD. So many of you asking this question repeatedly. When I'm trying to apply for OD in 10th convocation, I'm getting invalid hall ticket number. Why? So the only solution for this question is, please note that the student who have passed in the academic year 2019 to 20 and 2020 to 2021 and PG degree completed or going to be completed on or before 20th of September 2021 are eligible for applying in 10th convocation for their original degree provided if they have not taken the OD in pre-convocation mode earlier. In case you are eligible, but it is showing invalid hall ticket number, then contact JNTUH exam branch through email. You can email on this support.convocation@jntuh.ac.in. This is the number you can see here. This is the number you can call during 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on all working days. That is from Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday. 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can make call on these numbers. They will resolve your problem. So this is the only solution I found. I researched a lot for this question. I am getting invalid hall ticket number. So you can just make a call or you can also email on this address. So they will resolve your problem. And you are also having that payment issue. I will show you. So this is the official website for JNTU Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University, Hyderabad. So this is for online services. So they are mentioned some of the categories if you have any queries and all. So for registration, they have mentioned all the questions that I have already covered. Then for OD, how to apply for online student services. That is, you have to go to studentservice.jntuh.ac.in. So you can apply with this website. For inquiry, you can see for any clarification or information regarding transcript, whom should I contact? So I have told you have to mail JNTUH exam branch at email on this address, that is support.oss.jntuh.in. You can just mail on this address or you can directly contact with this number, helpline numbers during 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on all working days. And regarding the issues for payment, the first question they have asked, what to do if we get a message saying transcription failed or session expired? If your amount were deducted from your account in any transaction and got failed or session expired message, you are advised not to pay once again. The application status will be updated in track application menu within 2 working days of your transaction. So if you got this failed message or they did not show you anything, they are saying that the application status will be updated in track application menu within 2 working days. So wait for 2 days. After that also, if it is not resolved, then you can contact to that helpline numbers or you can directly mail to that support.jntuh.ac.in to that address. That is the first, you have to wait for 2-3 days. It might show you the result. Then the second question we have that what should we do if amount is deducted many times or multiple payments? Users should not pay fee multiple times for one request, because one request means for one student you only have to pay for one time. For one student, one time payment is enough, because every transaction will take as request and service will be provided for every transaction. If your amount were deducted from your account in any transaction and were failed or session expired message, you are advised not to pay once again. The application status will be updated in track application menu within 2 working days of your transaction. So if you have paid 2-3 times, don't pay for each student. You have to pay for one time only. If you got like a failed transaction or session expired message, then you have to wait for 2-3 days. It might get resolved by itself. No need to worry and all. And the third question is, what is the procedure for refund? If you have paid twice or thrice for one application, so they have mentioned that no refund will be entertained. Okay, note this, no refund will be entertained. You are advised not to pay once again if you already got deducted money. So they are clearly mentioning you that no refund will be entertained here. You are advised not to pay once again if you already got deducted money. So the application status will be updated in track application. You can track your application. The ID may be given somewhere on the application form. You can track address support.convocation@jntuh.ac.in, or you can directly contact the helpline number. This is the helpline number during 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on all working days. So you can contact them. They will resolve your problem. And please don't pay for twice or thrice for each application, because one payment, if money is deducted from your account, check whether it is deducted or not. If it is deducted from your account, then don't pay for one more time. Okay. I hope you guys find this video informative. If you do, then like, share, and if you have any queries, then comment down below. I will try to clear your doubts. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.